Accra sees popular rejoicings at the release of Kwame Nkrumah, leader of the Convention People's Party, successful at the recent Gold Coast elections, together with 6 other men sentenced for sedition during the political strike of a year ago.
Ghana, your beloved country, is free forever. From now on, there is a new African in the world. That new African is ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing his own affairs.
On the 6th of March 1957, in the capital of the Gold Coast, Accra, Ghana gained independence from its colonial masters. Kwame Nkrumah becomes the frontman of the country. The lash of colonialism has been done with. Ghana looks forward to a new dawn. When Ghana gained independence from Britain, the Nkrumah-led government considered industrialization to be a key factor in the modernization and development of the country. The inherited industrial sector was underdeveloped, mainly because the colonial rulers had focused on the extraction of raw materials from the Gold Coast, while at the same time creating an economic system heavily dependent on manufactured products from Britain. To revamp this, the Nkrumah government adopted the ISI strategy. ISI stands for Import Substitution Industrialization. This is the development strategy focused on promoting domestic production of previously imported goods to foster industrialization. This sought to exploit Ghana's natural domestic resource to satisfy the basic needs of the population, create jobs, and assimilate and promote technological progress. This ultimately would modernize Ghanaian society as a whole. These policies did not achieve the desired results because of poor planning and corrupt administration. By 1966, when the administration of President Nkrumah was overthrown, the heavy overseas borrowing upon which the government had relied to support its economic programs had dissipated almost all of the country's overseas reserves and had produced external and internal debts totaling some $1 billion. It's 2021. The population of Ghana is 30.8 million. Out of this, approximately 57% of the population are under the age of 25. Ghana's economy is evaluated at $72 billion and has the recognition of recording impressive economic growth.
Ghana's economy improved considerably in 2017, according to the latest Ghana Economic Update released by the World Bank in February.
The economy is again rapidly expanding. Fiscal consolidation is paying off. The inflation rate is down to almost 10%, which increases the purchasing power of the people. At the same time, it is still important to keep up the pace of economic stabilization to ensure a healthy economy for the future.
In the face of a rapidly expanding labor force, this has not translated into the sufficient creation of jobs. The commodity export sector, mainly cocoa, gold, and oil, are the driving factors of the current economic boom, but relatively do not employ a lot of people. In the absence of unemployment benefits in the country, unemployment is simply not an option for most people, particularly the youth, who often turn to the informal sector to earn an income. In fact, 1 in 3 young people in Ghana is self-employed in the non-agricultural sector. Ghana Statistical Service survey found that graduates spend an average of 5 years job hunting. The One District, One Factory initiative by the present Ghanaian government is a new attempt to industrialize the economy and create jobs. It's important to contrast with the previous failed attempt by the Nkrumah government. We'll be looking at that in the next video. Thank you for watching.